What's going on, guys? I'm doing a quick video. I know it's been a couple weeks. I went down to Joplin to the swap meet, and I met a lot of cool guys. I've been getting pretty serious about this collecting thing, so I decided to make the drive out there. I'm just gonna show y'all just a couple of the things that I picked up while I was up there. Um, This is just I'll make a couple videos because it's just so much stuff. I brought literally like a bunch of totes full of stuff, and this is some of it right here. So as far as DOT ICC stuff, I brought back this Black Cat ICC strip. It's a 800 1-inch. Damn, let me see. How am I gonna do this? So yeah, strips. Okay, so we got that. We got a 100 count whale strip. I already have a ton of those. I brought this one. This is one of the good ones I found. I really like that one. I found another Black Cat 120. I'm gonna try to go through this as fast as I can. Um, Maybe make a couple videos. I found this duck strip. It's real nice. Okay, bricks. 10400 bomb logo Thunder Bomb horse brand. I brought that one back. 2080 Black Cat has a little tear here up here, and the saddle's a little bit damaged, but I'm just gonna rewrap it. It's all good. 2080 Black Cat. Um, Found these Magic Blooms. It's a small brick. It's pretty nice. Tiger 4032. 4032 Tiger. 2-inch Tiger strip. 2-inch Tiger strip. It's labeled 400, but I think it's a 2 or 300. I'm not sure. But it's a 2-inch. The Hot Giraffe. Found this one. It's pretty nice. I met up with another fellow YouTuber, Checho. I got these from him at the swap meet. Jumping Cat. I got these from him, and I got some jumping jack packs. I'm not sure. Can't remember how many are in here. But yeah, these are pretty cool. These are horse brand. DOT. I got another Zebra 88 brick. This is my second or third one I got. Supercharged 4024s. Red Lantern. Let me see. I got a roller coaster 1 5/8. I got a good deal on this one. DOT roller coaster. This is actually my first roller coaster brick or whatever. It's a 8012. Let me see. I think I got 1 or 2 more bricks. I just need to still get them out. But once I get them out, I'll make another video. Packs. I got a Devil Dog 1.5-inch 50 confettis. Cherry Bombs KHT ICC pack. I got 2 of those. I got this black cat. It's a little dirty, but I need to rewrap it. Clear settle 1 5/8, 20 count. It's leaking pretty bad. Um, Big Bomb DOT 50s, 1.5 inch. I got a few of these. 1, 2, 3. Panda 50. Horse brand DOT 50. We got 2 of those. Let me see. TNT. I really like these packs. 24s DOT. I got a couple of them. These are confetti. I got one pack that's damaged. I might shoot those off. See how they perform. Oh, there's actually a few more here. There's like 10 or 12 packs of those. Just random packs that I picked up. Big Bomb, Blackjack, Thunder Bomb, Supercharged. I think I got like these in a bundle. Horse brand Smoke, DOT